Hoya plants are amazing and attractive houseplants. One of the most rare and unique in Hoya family is Hoya finlaysonii. Hoya finlaysonii is a designer hybrid with an exotic, upbeat vein pattern. Originally from Southeast Asia. Fast-growing, evergreen climber. It grows best in heated greenhouse. This plant is very sensitive to soil compaction. Hoya plants don't ask for much beyond the well-draining soil and the warm, humid conditions. This plant needs high level of humidity, watering twice a week during the season of active growth. This plant needs to feed regularly. Hoya finlaysonii is perfect for hanging baskets. Hoyas are great air purifiers. Thanks for watching.